Bug bounty hunting is a cybersecurity program where companies reward individuals for finding and reporting vulnerabilities or security flaws in their systems. It's like being a digital detective. Your goal is to identify weak spots in websites, apps, or software before malicious hackers can exploit them. Companies use bug bounty programs to strengthen their defenses, and bug hunters can earn money or other rewards for their efforts. Let's break it down with a simple explanation and example. Here's how it works. Companies partner with bug bounty platforms like HackerOne, BugCrowd, or Synack, or they run their own programs. These programs allow ethical hackers, also called white hat hackers, to test their systems for weaknesses. If you're participating in a bug bounty program, you'll look for issues like broken authentication, insecure data storage, or flaws that could allow unauthorized access. When you find a bug, you report it to the company through the program, providing details about how you found it and, in some cases, suggestions for fixing it. For example, let's say a company's app allows users to reset their passwords. While testing the feature, you discover that it's possible to reset someone else's password without their permission due to a vulnerability. You report this flaw through the bug bounty program, and if your report is valid, the company rewards you with cash or other incentives. The reward depends on the severity of the bug. Critical issues might earn thousands of dollars, while smaller bugs might earn less. Bug bounty hunting is open to anyone with cybersecurity skills, from professionals to hobbyists. Many programs provide guidelines on what to test, what tools are allowed, and which areas are off-limits. This ensures ethical behavior while allowing you to focus on finding valuable vulnerabilities. There are several benefits to bug bounty hunting. First, it's flexible. You can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and choose the programs you want to participate in. It's also a great way to improve your skills, build your reputation in the cybersecurity community, and earn significant income if you're skilled and persistent. Some top bug bounty hunters make six figures or more annually. However, bug bounty hunting has challenges. It's highly competitive, as many hunters are testing the same systems. Not every bug you find will be eligible for a reward, and companies may already be aware of some issues. Additionally, it requires a strong understanding of cybersecurity concepts, tools, and techniques, which can take time and effort to learn. In summary, bug bounty hunting is a way to earn money by finding and reporting security flaws in systems, helping companies improve their cybersecurity. It's flexible, rewarding, and an excellent field for those with technical skills and an interest in ethical hacking.